Now, let's explore more on what's the Curvature Pen Tool. Okay, the Curvature Pen Tool. When you click and you drag and open the pen tool, you are going to see the Curvature Pen Tool. And with the Curvature Pen Tool, let's say we have the shape. So we have this 9 shape. And then we can use the pen tool and then use the techniques that we have learned. You click and drag to create a curve. Then you break the point, you create a curve, then you make your path according to how you want it. Then hold down the control key to bring back the handles. Then we can control the handles just like this. So when we use the pen tool, this is the result that we are going to get. So let me delete this path. So go to path tab, click and drag this one to the bin. Alright, so from here, instead of using the pen tool to make the path around the shape, we are going to use the same pen tool, but this time we are just going to create points, another point, another point. So you just click where you think definitely it's going to be a point, and then we have our shape already. So this is where the Curvature point tool come in. So with the help of the Curvature Pen Tool, you click and hold on the pen tool and it is going to open the family. Then you are going to see the Curvature Pen Tool. Select that, and then with that one, when you come near to where there is a path, you are going to get this plus symbol. So when I click and drag, it is going to create this shape. So I'll just click and drag with the Curvature Pen Tool and boom, I'm going to get my effect. So this is a very simple way to ease or help you speed up your selection, and with the Curvature Pen Tool you are good to go. So I really love this part really much. So if you want to master or improve your pen tool skills, you definitely have to be using the Curvature Pen Tool. Alright, so let's try the next one. I'll hide this one, click this work path and put it in the dustbin. Then let's say we have this circle. So with the help of the pen tool, I'm going to create a point where I think definitely there is going to be a point. Then from here I can end it. Alright, then I will click and hold, select my Curvature Pen Tool. Then when I come near to a place like this, I will click and drag. You see how very easy and simple it is to use the Curvature Pen Tool. So you click and drag and position and bring this one in position. So undo, bring this one in position. Alright, so let me turn this one off and see how more accurate it is. Alright, so you can see more accurate that we have here. Okay, let me delete this path, this work path, and then let's try the next one. So the subsequent one is going to be for your own assignment. So let's try this one. So with this one, instead of using the pen tool to click and drag to create the shape, so let's say you click, you drag to create this, and then you hold down the Alt key and then you click and drag to have something like this. Then going to break the handle, so I'll click and break this. So this Curvature Pen Tool is here to save you more time. So let's go back, undo, and let's say I have a point here. I know definitely I will have a point here. Click, another point here, and then I'll end it. Then I will go and select the Curvature Pen Tool. Now I'll just click and drag this one in position, click and drag this one in position, and then you click and drag this one in position. Like I said earlier, if you want to make a precise selection or a precise shape, then you have to go for a lesser point. The lesser the point, the more accurate your curve, your shape is going to be. Alright, so you can see with the help of the Curvature Pen Tool, we have achieved this one in just a second. Okay, so next let me open any of the shape so you can go and try this one on your own. Alright, so from here, let me go to the work path and let me delete this work path that we have. Next, we are going to use this one as your assignment, and with the help of your pen tool and the Curvature pen tool, you have to come out with a precise selection. Then I want to see your final result somewhere on the page. Just share with me.